How to change Discord notification sound on Android. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just go ahead and follow these steps. Open up your settings and then scroll down to apps. And once you're there, navigate to Discord. And here from the privacy section, click on notifications. And on this page right here, go ahead and select what type of notification you want to change the sound of. Say for example, I want to change the sound of direct messages notifications. So I will click on it. And then on this page, I will click on sound. It will take me here where I will find a large list of sounds that I can choose from. So I'm just going to choose a random one. Say for example, this one. And once you do that, just go back and you will see that the notification sound for this feature, which is the direct messages in our case, has been changed to the sound that we choose from. And you can do the same for whatever else notification that you want. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change the notification sound of Discord app on Android. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.